Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be making chilaquiles verdes. I hope everybody's having an amazing Father's Day today. Today's Sunday, so I hope everybody's having an amazing day today. We're going to be making the chilaquiles. There's a bunch of ways to make chilaquiles, especially if you're from different places, but today we're going to be making the way that Mike likes them, so we are going to cook today. It's going to be pretty simple, pretty easy. Well, to me it's pretty easy, but it is pretty easy, guys, I promise you guys. And you guys only need a couple of things. Everything, pretty much we have that every single day in our kitchen. So if you guys want to go ahead and try it, we're going to go ahead and cook, and I hope you guys like it. Okay guys, so now we're in the kitchen. This is what we're going to use. Okay, so we're going to start with the sauce. I put 7 chiles y un tomate. I don't know if you guys call it jitomate. And then some onions. This is going to be for your salsa. And then this is pechuga de pollo. It's just a little strips. So it's kind of like half of a package. And this is the only different. Mike likes it with these chips. I'm used to making them homemade, but he does like these. And then he loves mozzarella cheese, so this is some cheese. It's kind of like 2 cups. And then an aguacate, some some sal, and some consomé de pollo. Okay guys, so what we did first, we're gonna put the chiles and the tomate to boil for about 10-15 minutes, and we're also gonna put the chicken to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. So as you can tell, the chiles are already boiled. They do change color, so you're gonna be able to tell whenever they're ready, and our chicken already also finished boiling. So we're gonna go ahead and do the salsa. We're gonna blend it, and then we're gonna deshebrar the pollo in another little container to have it aparte. Okay guys, so we have our salsa, we have our chicken ready. So now we're gonna add a little bit of oil to our pan. We're gonna add our salsa. We're gonna let it boil for about 5 minutes. Vamos a dejar que la salsa hierva unos 5 minutitos. Y después le vamos a echar 1 cup del caldo de pollo de las pechugas que nos sobró. Ya cuando le echemos el caldo, vamos a dejar otros 2 o 3 minutitos que hierva. Y le vamos a echar el pollo, los chips, unos 2 minutos más. Y ya le vamos a apagar para que se haga. It's gonna cook all the way just with the hotness, okay? And then that's it, guys. We're done. Okay guys, so we already let our salsa boil. We added our caldo de pollo, and it already boiled for about 5 minutes, and now we're gonna add our chicken and our chips. So you just kind of add all your chicken. There you go, and I do like to leave some for myself. And then we're gonna move it around just to make sure that it gets the salsa, and then you add your chips. So you're just gonna let it kind of sit there for about 5 minutes, and you are gonna put it on medium. So the chilaquiles are ready. I already served the plate, and this is what I do is I added more mozzarella cheese, and I do add some on top, and then I add aguacate. So Mike loves aguacate, so I put a lot of aguacate on his. And the reason why he likes this type of chilaquiles is because he says that they have like a taste like tamales. So that's pretty much how it looks. And well, I hope you guys like it. So we are back. I hope that you guys liked the video. I hope that you guys try to make the chilaquiles. If you guys make it different, go ahead and comment below so I can see how you guys cook. If you guys make them verdes, rojos are pretty good too. And yeah guys, I hope you guys had a good Father's Day today. If you guys, like I said, make them different, make sure you guys comment below so I can see how you guys make them, different types to make them. And don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe. And I hope everybody has an amazing day today. I will talk to you guys later. Bye!
Hey, Damn, babe. Jumbo size? Whoa! What are those? Is that for your nose?
No, it's for
Dang.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take these.
Are you bleeding? Oh my god. Are there tampons? Is that your size, babe? Oh my god, babe. Ma, no se lleva tus pañales. Hoy no te has llevado tus pañales, ama. Ama. Ma, tus pañales, ama.